Imagine a world where your mind is a fortress, impenetrable to negativity, stress, and self doubt. A world where you're not just surviving, but thriving, conquering challenges with unwavering resilience. This is the power of mental strength. And today, we are diving deep into the strategies that can transform you into a mental titan. Are you ready to unlock your inner strength and become the mental powerhouse you've always dreamed of? Welcome back to our channel, Wondrous Millionaires. Join me, Molly, on this journey as we explore the secrets to mental resilience. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1. Cultivate a growth mindset. Ever felt like you're stuck in a rut? It's time to break free. A growth mindset is like a superpower that allows you to see challenges as opportunities. Instead of fearing failure, embrace it as a stepping stone to success. Remember, setbacks are not roadblocks, they're detours leading you to a broader path. Consider the story of Nawazuddin Siddiqui, who faced numerous rejections before finally achieving success in the entertainment industry. His growth mindset helped him persevere through adversity and emerge as a celebrated actor. Imagine the disappointment he must have felt after each rejection, but instead of giving up, he chose to learn from his experiences and use them as fuel for his determination. This is the power of a growth mindset in action. Number 2. Practice mindfulness. Tired of feeling overwhelmed? Mindfulness is your secret weapon. Mindfulness is the art of being present in the moment. It involves paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. By practicing mindfulness, you can reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance your overall well-being. Many Indian athletes, such as PV Sindhu and Virat Kohli, incorporate mindfulness techniques into their training routines to manage pressure and improve performance. Imagine the mental clarity and focus they achieve by being fully present in the moment, allowing them to perform at their best. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for athletes and non-athletes alike. Number 3. Build strong relationships. Isolation is the enemy of mental strength. Connect with others. Strong relationships provide a support system that can help you navigate life's challenges. Surround yourself with positive, uplifting people who encourage and inspire you. The Indian film industry often showcases the importance of friendship and family in overcoming adversity. Movies like Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge and Three Idiots highlight the power of human connection. Imagine the strength and resilience that Raj and Simran gain from their love for each other, or the support and encouragement that the three friends in Three Idiots provide for one another. These films demonstrate the invaluable role of strong relationships in our lives. Number 4. Set realistic goals. Aim high, but start small. Set goals that inspire you. Setting realistic goals gives you a sense of purpose and direction. Break down large goals into smaller, achievable steps to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Many Indian entrepreneurs, like Ritesh Agrawal of Ovayo Rooms, started with small ventures and gradually built their businesses into successful empires. Imagine the satisfaction and accomplishment Ritesh Agrawal must have felt as he achieved each milestone on his journey to building Ovayo Rooms. Setting realistic goals provides a roadmap to success and keeps you motivated along the way. Number 5. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. You deserve it. Self-compassion is about treating yourself with kindness and understanding, just as you would treat a friend. It involves accepting your imperfections and acknowledging your struggles. Indian spiritual leaders like Sadhguru often emphasize the importance of self-compassion and self-acceptance in achieving inner peace and fulfillment. Imagine the transformative power of self-compassion, allowing you to let go of self-criticism and embrace your true self. It's a powerful tool for healing and growth. Number 6. Manage stress effectively. Stress is inevitable. Learn to manage it. Stress is a natural part of life, but it's important to manage it effectively. Practice stress reduction techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Many Indian professionals, including doctors and IT workers, incorporate stress management techniques into their daily routines to maintain their mental health. Imagine the peace and tranquility you can experience by incorporating stress management techniques into your life. It's a valuable investment in your overall well-being. Number 7. Challenge negative thoughts. Don't let negative thoughts control your life. Negative thoughts can be detrimental to your mental well-being. Challenge them by questioning their validity and replacing them with positive affirmations. Indian motivational speakers like Sandeep Maheshwari often share strategies for overcoming negative thoughts and cultivating a positive mindset. Imagine the freedom and empowerment you can experience by breaking free from the grip of negative thoughts. By challenging them and replacing them with positive affirmations, you can create a more positive and fulfilling life. Number 8. Prioritize self-care. Invest in yourself. Self-care is essential. Self-care involves taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health. Make time for activities that you enjoy and that help you relax and recharge. Indian celebrities like Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh frequently share their self-care routines on social media, emphasizing the importance of taking care of oneself. Imagine the rejuvenated and refreshed feeling you'll have after prioritizing self-care. It's a gift you give yourself that can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Number 9. Learn to say no. Don't overcommit yourself. It's okay to say no. It's important to set boundaries and learn to say no when you're feeling overwhelmed. Prioritize your own needs and avoid taking on more than you can handle. Indian business leaders like Indra Nooyi have often spoken about the importance of setting boundaries and maintaining a work-life balance. Imagine the peace of mind and increased productivity you'll experience by learning to say no. It's a powerful tool for managing your time and energy effectively. Number 10. Seek professional help when needed. Don't hesitate to seek help. You're not alone. If you're struggling with mental health issues, don't hesitate to seek professional help. There's no shame in reaching out for support. Indian mental health organizations like the Banyan and the Center for Mental Health and Counseling have been doing commendable work in providing mental health services and raising awareness about mental health issues. Imagine the relief and support you can receive by seeking professional help for your mental health struggles. There's no shame in reaching out for assistance, and it can be a life-changing decision. Bonus point number 11. Embrace gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for happiness. Practicing gratitude can significantly improve your mood and overall well-being. Take time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. Indian spiritual leaders like Swami Vivekananda often emphasized the importance of gratitude in achieving inner peace and fulfillment. Imagine the positive impact gratitude can have on your life, fostering feelings of contentment, joy, and appreciation. It's a simple yet powerful practice that can transform your perspective. In this video, we explored the 10 pillars of mental strength that can help you build a resilient mind. Remember, mental strength is a journey, not a destination. By incorporating these strategies into your daily life, you can overcome challenges, achieve your goals, and live a more fulfilling life. Question for you: what is the most significant obstacle you faced in your journey toward mental strength? Share your experiences in the comments below. Remember, millionaires, you have the power to forge your own fortress of mental strength. Take action, believe in yourself, and become the mental titan you're destined to be. Here comes the end of video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to Wondrous Millionaires for more inspiring content. See you in the next video.